if we were to use the percent equation, it says 30 is what percent of 90? Okay, the is your part, the of is your whole, and we're trying to solve the percentage. So if I were to set this up, what would I put in? Again, using this equation, what would I put in for my parts? Yep, 30. And this equals, do we know our percent? Nope, so we can put in an x for our percent, and we're going to multiply this by our whole, or our of. What is our of in this problem? 90. Okay. So again, how do you get x by itself? What is the opposite of multiplying by 90? Yep, so we're going to divide both sides by 90. Cancel. And what is 30 divided by 90? Yep. Okay, so we have 0.333333, It's going to keep going. The one thing that we have to do is, if your answer is a percent, you need to change it to a percent, because right now it's a decimal currently. So how would I change the 0.333 into a percent? Okay, so 1, 2. So my answer would be 33, and it could be 1/3%. It could be 33.3 if you round it to the nearest tenth. Most of them today will tell you if you need to be specific, but make sure you do have that percentage there. The last one, Martin wants to buy a motor scooter. The cost of the motor scooter is this amount. If the total, including the tax, is this amount, what is the percent of sales tax? My way of doing it, what I would suggest, is to subtract these two to figure out how much extra you're paying in tax. The amount extra after subtracting is $322.92. We want to figure out what is the percent. So this is the part, this is the extra, equals the percent times what's the whole? The whole is the original price of the scooter. Okay, what would that be? 4,968. Yep. How do I get x by itself? If you're multiplying by that 4,968, the opposite is to do what? Divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4,968. Divided by 4,968. Cancel. And when I do that, I end up with 0.065. However, I need it as a percent, and this is currently a decimal. So what would I do? Yep, 2 to the right. So the answer is a 6.5% sales tax.